I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. I'm here today with our STG Kick-Ass Helmet Graphic of the Week. This week, from the cozy confines of the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, we have the Shark Race R Pro Lorenzo replica helmet. Kick-ass matte finish. It's got a monster logo on the side, man. It's hard to not recognize that. I know my man Walter's pumped for sure. Jorge Lorenzo, he is one of the greatest MotoGP champions ever. 2 times 250, 3 times big bikes. And for some reason, people just love to bag on Lorenzo. I don't get it. I don't think you should be able to talk shit about somebody unless you can pass them yourself. Jimmy Fox? Yes, I was talking about you, buddy.